So in that, many students did not able to complete. Yes. Bhavya Kuliava did not do it. Akesh said no, sir. Aditya Mayur said no, sir. Ajay Nagar, 2 position, second position, very good. Then Garvit Sharma, first place maybe. Okay, again I am showing that podium. You can also see. I already shared with you also. Yes, now you can see. Fourth boy. You have to enter your correct name, na? Ajay Nagar, second position. Then first position. Garvit Sharma. Garvit Sharma. Congratulations for these 3. Then remaining students, many students, they did not complete. I had given 1.5 hour time, but it is not required that much time. Only 20 seconds, 20 seconds. So 10 into 20 seconds, 2 minutes, you can complete with that one. Okay, if you are taking, for example, 3 question 1 minute mean, then 4 minutes maximum. Within 4 minutes, you can complete. But only a few students only completed. That report also I will show you, that you can see. So players, those are players, that is also I will list out. Here you can see Garvit Sharma complete percent completed, Ajay Nera complete percent completed, fourth boy 100%. Then Neelam Sisodia completed, Neha completed, Neha Chipa, Neha 2 places. Neha 9th, Neha Chipa, Akash, Hars, and Jaya Panchal, and Kamal, that is, I had given the dummy name, okay, for testing purpose. Then remaining students, some students are completed only 90%. That's Jaya Panchal, Kamal, then Ayush Kegler, Hardik, Aarti, they are completed 80%, 70%. Megha, Sarasta, Park Saini, 60%. Ganvi, 60%. Who is that name? Bad Creature, 50%. Mohini, 3%. How to complete? That means you did not give the pay attention to the class maybe. Because whatever we discussed in the classroom, that is only I had given. Not newly anything given there. Some of them 40%. Some of them only 10%. Mother, Thursday, Sakshana. Okay. Then how many students did not finish? That we can see here. Akash, Lak, Akash, Sania, Ayush, Rablin, Saksana, Mother, Hitesh, and some other students also is there. Ismegar, Kiran, Swati, Ismegar. Ismegar 2 times tried maybe, Okay, after that also would not complete. And so you have to give the real name, then only can understand about that one. And these are the 0%. That means they did not do anything there. What is the problem you faced there? Anybody?
Sir, I was again No problem.
It is very simple. Okay, no problem. Those who are completed, okay. Those who are not completed, today you can complete. After over this class, I will give the sharing for you. Then after that, you can do that one, okay? Clear or not? Okay, today same question I will give. Today also you try. It is same as a revision like, okay? So you can try today also. Then today we will go to the new topic, subtopic, that is a data exploration. So already you know what are the stages of the AI project cycle. Anybody can reflect there? Okay, no problem. I will share the slide. There also you can see. This is the 5 stages. This is already we discussed also. So first stage, problem scoping. In the problem scoping stage, what you did? What do you understand in the problem scoping? 4Ws. Okay. Using 4Ws, what you did? No, I'm not asking about the data acquisition, data exploration and all stages. Okay, no problem. First stage in problem scoping, what you did? Okay, very good. Identified the problem. That is, set the goal. Next, set the scoping of that problem or define the scope of that problem. So that we did in the problem scoping stage. In the second stage, what you did in the second stage? Collected the data. So how you collected the data? What are the various ways or various sources? Media. Data features. Okay, very good. In data features, you identified what are the elements affect your system that you can get. Data features. Newspaper, media, this and all in the problem scoping. That we used in the 4Ws canvas to find the evidence. I am asking about the data acquisition steps. In second stage, you identified the data features. Next, you collected the data source. What are the various sources to collect the data? Then finally, that is the system map. That is relating the elements. How it is related with your AI system that you can relate. For that purpose only system maps. Okay, very good. Sensor, camera, API, survey, observation, then camera. Okay, these are the sources to collect the data. Okay, so in the first stage, you identified the goal and or set the goal and scope of that problem. In second stage, you find out the data features, and same thing, you collected the data. Then whatever you collected the data that you are created or draw one system map, that is to establish a relation, how it is related with our system that you completed in the system map. Then after that, we have to go for the data exploration. In data exploration, what we will do? Data exploration. Exploring the data. How you can explore the data? Yes, analyze the data. Very good. So in the second stage, you collected the data. It may be related or not related, or authentic, not authentic, but like many things are there. In the third stage, that is the data exploration stage, we will analyze the data. Analyze the data. There, we can use some graphs, chart, and map for visual your data. So based on that, you can do the analysis. Okay. So before that, you should know what is meant by data, what is meant by explorations. That is a data exploration stage. In data exploration, that is a data. Already you know about the data, maybe because you studied in the previous subtopic also, data acquisition topic also. Data means that is a facts and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. So that is a piece of information, or we can say fact or statistical data. Okay. So using that data only, you can do the analysis. So what is meant by exploring? That is analyze or discuss about the particular topic. For example, students means students data, students information, many things are available. But you are talking about only the result mean. For result, what you required? To calculate the result, what you required? You need the students mark only required. Students mark. Or if any other criteria is there, that they can include. So what is the criteria they are using for provide the result or calculate the result? Okay. So that is only necessary. So other information not required for that process. Same thing here for your project or your particular AI project topic. So whatever record, that only you are going to analyze. Okay, inquire into or discuss a subject in detail. Detail you have to know about that one. So in this lesson or in this subtopic, you will learn how to explore the data for analytics and how to represent that in the visual form. That is only we will discuss in this lesson. Next, that is a definition. You already know about the data. So, for example, population of India and state-wise also you can say, or all over India also I can say, and the number of COVID cases. How many cases are state-wise, nation-wise? Then how many are recovered? How many of them died? But like you can collect that informations. Okay, that is a data. Okay, so all the one we can say that is a data. For example, number of males, that is also data. Number of female, that is a data. So number of COVID affected, data. Number of people died, that is also data. If you are taking the state-wise, that is also data. Okay. So next, exploration. Exploration means that is action of exploring or thorough the examination. Maybe investigation process, or maybe debate process, or maybe study process, or maybe research process. Whatever may be, that we have to use for the analysis. Investigate or inspect the data. Okay. Next, for example, you are going to the library, choosing a book in the library. How will you choose? Anyone can say? Why there is so many COVID cases? Investigation about so much cases. Yes, that is also. So now you tell about how will you choose the book from the library? When you are going to the library, sometimes you can take the book and you can read and you can leave it. Sometimes you want to borrow the book. So if you want to borrow the book for any of your purpose, maybe for preparing the exam or maybe prepare for any competition, speech, any activity, you want to select the book because in library so much books are available. So how will you select the book? Any idea? So practically what will you do that we do? While choosing a book, we will select under which criteria it comes like story or scientific. Okay, that is also good. Okay, now you selected the area. For example, you want to select the dictionary. You are going to that particular cupboard or that area and you wanted to pick one book up from that area. Okay. So you are deciding. You already decided you are going to that particular area. Then you are selecting the book. So many books are available now. Yes, choose the topic. Okay. You selected the topic, selected the area, and you wanted to take the book. In the particular topic, particular area, so many books are there. So because all the book you cannot read from top to bottom and you cannot select the book. So by your experience, you tell how will you select. Okay, you think about that one. And at the middle time, I am taking the attendance also. Okay, then I will continue. So same thing. After over utterance, you have to give the correct answer by your experience. For this, you are no need to go on to study anywhere. Okay, so you can tell. So now you give the utterance one by one. 9th A section. 5 Gulsin car. 105 Gulsin car. Absent. If you are not present or you are not sent the chat message, then I cannot give the attendance. Okay, 7.
Present, sir.
Okay. 8. Neelam Sisodia.
Present, sir.
Then Sania. Sania.
Present.
Okay, good. 10. Siali.
Present, sir.
Then 11. Srasta Bhatterjee.
Present, sir.
And 12. Srisi Panchal.
Present, sir.
13. Tamanna.
Present, sir.
Then 14. Vibhavada.
Present, sir.
15. Akash Saksana.
Present, sir.
16. Akash Saksana.
Present, sir.
Then 18. Abhibhav. 18. Abhibhav. No message out. Okay. Has raised. Okay, good. Then next 20. Akash Nikhil.
Present, sir.
23. Ayush. Okay, good. Then next 24. Chandraveer.
Present, sir.
25. Garvit Kumar.
Present, sir.
29. Hardik Saini.
Present, sir.
31. Mohammed. Okay, absent. 34. Virendra Kumar.
Present, sir.
Then 37. Rasi.
Present, sir.
Then B section. 201. Aarti Kujar. Aarti. Okay, 2. Jaya Panchal.
Present, sir.
4. Lakshita Gaudam.
Present, sir.
6. Mohini Sukla.
Present, sir.
7. Nega Chupa. Okay. 9. Parul. Okay. Next 11. Prablinka. 12. Jaya Panchal. Okay. 2. 12. 12 not there. Prablinka. 11. Then 14. Supraja.
Present, sir.
Okay. 15. Swati.
Present, sir.
Then 17. Aditya Mageshwari.
Present, sir.
Then 18. Bhavya. Okay. 20. Chinmay.
Present, sir.
23. Garvit Sharma.
Present, sir.
Garvit Sharma, very good. 24. Hardik Jain. Okay. 25. Harsai.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
26. Manish.
Present, sir.
28. Parth Saini.
Present, sir.
Next 37. Vishesh Thakur.
Present, sir.
Okay. I think maybe now you are having the response in the related to library book selection maybe. Okay, Prabhalinka. Anybody joined later, then we can take it last. Any idea about to taking the book? Now camera is visible?
Yes, sir.
Now you can
Yes,
see.
sir. Yes, sir.
So in your library, 1 minute. You can see here. The book will be this type only you can see. So it is in your cupboard, this type only they are arranging now. So you can see first this part only you will see. This part, for example, you are selecting the artificial intelligence meaning. First you will see This is a related topic, and here the author name is given. So you are thinking this is a better book mean, or you can select this book mean. First you will take this book out. The next what will you do? What will you do? You will see first front page. Yes. So after gone to that area and gone to that particular select the topic and particular area and particular cupboard, then you will select this procedure only. So first you will take the book by saying this side. Okay, spine side. Then after that you will see the front page. In front page, what is given, what is the title, what is author, then what are the publication, that you can see. Then what will you do next? Third step, you will go to the back cover. In back cover, whatever information is given, according to that you will go. Okay. Then after that, what will you do? Then you will go to the content. You will go through the content. So what is given, whether it is suitable for our what we are expecting, whether it will be available or not. That like you will go through randomly some pages or some topic. So for example, you are selecting this book for expert system in, you will go whether this topic is available or not, whether in-depthly available or not. That like what you are expecting in your mind, that you will, according to that you will go. Understand? Yes or not? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So after that only you will select the book. That is only I am showing here. Okay, 1 minute. I will show the presentation. So first you will select the spine side. What I showed no that line. Then after that you will go to the front page. Then after that you will go to the back cover. Understand? Then next you will go through the content. Then randomly you will see some pages. Then if it is suitable, then only you will select that book. Am I correct or not? This type only you are selecting the book, na? Same thing.
Yes.
Why this example needed here? That also you can ask. So in the second stage, you collected so much information, so much data. Okay. That data, we have to select our related system data. That is authentic data or reliable data we have to select. Same as a library book selection line. That only we will do in the data exploration topic. Understand? Vishal Kinchi and others, you can give the attendance at last.
Yes.
So those who are joined later, you can give the attendance last. Don't enter now. Okay, clear or wrong? So next we will get to that part.
Yes, sir.
Data exploration. In this initial step for data analysis. So in the second stage, you collected the data. In that collected data, we are going to analysis. That is your initial stage. Here only we are going to start the analysis, data analysis. Next, data is often gathered in large because if you are gathered large and also unstructured, it is not in the structured manner. Because we are using various sources to collect the data. Okay, it is the same as in the when you are entering the morning, you can see that the post office many that one bag will come from the previous center, maybe that higher center to it will come to the post office. There you can see many letter, many parcel, many thing will be there. Then the people will sit and they will arrange in the area wise. Then only the postman will take to deliver that letter or pack to that people. That is same thing here. Data we collected, gather the data in various sources we collected. It is not yet structured manner, and also it is a very huge amount of data. Okay. Next, from this data, we have to extract which is required or relevant for our system. So we can use comprehensive view of data we can extract the data, the related data. This relevant data only we can use for further process. Further process. Similarly, when we get a set of data in our hands, spending time to explore it will help get a sense of trends, relationships, and patterns present in the data. So before that, I would like to ask you one thing. For example, you are getting the report card from the school. You are getting or not? Every year you are getting. Okay. After the first term is over, they are giving. Then second term is over, that also giving. Suppose a period test is there. After over every exam, they are giving the report card. And sometimes the parent teachers meeting also conducted. What purpose? To analyze your performance, how you are studying. It should know to teachers also, management also, and for your parents also. So based on your performance only, they will take what is a necessary action to improve your performance. Understand? So wherever you could not perform there and all, they will concentrate and they will give the support. Sometimes the remedial classes, sometimes your parents arranging tuitions or somewhere. Okay. So for that analysis. Same thing here also. We are collecting the data. After that, we are extracting the relevant data to analysis purposes. How it will related to our system, relationship, trends, and patterns present in the data. Next, it will also help us better decide on which model or models to use in the subsequent AI circle. So what is the next stage? We have to go for the model. So once we are analyzing the data only, we can select which is a suitable model for your AI systems. Understand? Next, we have to represent this data. We use visualization as a method because it is much easier to comprehend information quickly and communicate the story to others. For example, you analyze the data. For example, you are in the AI expert. Now you are working in the company. Now you are taking one project and you are doing. Now you collected the data and you extracted the data. That is the relevant data you extracted. Next, sometimes you want to report to your superiors. Sometimes you want to present to your customers or client. Or maybe sometimes you want to communicate with your team members. How you can communicate? When you are communicating, I collected this much data, that like you are showing me, whether they will understand. It is difficult to understand. Understand? So only we are using the visualization method. So you collected the data. It may be in the image, or maybe text, or maybe number, or maybe alphabet, or maybe alpha numeric. You know what is meant by image? That is a photo image. Next, textual information. For example, your name, no? That is a textual information, textual data. For example, number, your mathematics mark, English mark, these are the numbers. Alpha numbers. Sometimes they are giving the data with alphabet mixed with number. That like also. For example, we can say your email ID, that is alpha numbers. It may be any format. So sometimes you can get the related data. For example, in the diamond production, no? Safety, to enhance the safety for the diamond. There we collected the photo. Somebody are missing the photo, no? Same thing here also. Sometimes whichever record, that data may be missed. Sometimes duplicate also possible. So that we have to clear. All the repeated data that we have to remove. Next, Wherever the data is missed, that data we have to recover. Otherwise, we could not get to the efficient AI systems. Clear? Next, this data, based on this data, we have to make the visualization form. Maybe in the chart, or maybe graph, or maybe Venn diagram. That like many tree map. It's like many things are available. You can select any one visualization form. That also I will show you. Okay. Here we have to represent by 4 types. One should be comparison, second composition, third distribution, fourth relationship. 4 basic presentation types and their example that you can use to present your data. For example, you are representing your data in the visualized form. It may be useful for the comparison, composition, and distribution, relationship, that like. So what is meant by comparison? For example, you are taking your mark. English mark is there, maths mark is there, science mark is there, social mark. In one side, you are taking the mark, and another one side, you are taking the subject. You already studied in the Excel now. Maybe you are familiar with that one, maybe. So you are creating the bar chart. There you can see which has the highest bar. That is identify you are scored the highest mark. Which is stored the smallest bar, that is identify you are having the lowest mark. So using that you can analyze, that is a bar graph. Same thing, many chart you already practiced in the Excel, that all the one you can use. So using the bar graph, easily you can compare the data. Which is more, which is less. Yes, very good. Histogram can also be used to do. Many things are there. I will give the site also. There you can find many things. Next, composition. To show the subcategory. Suppose, is there any subcategory there that should be visualized? That is a composition. Next, distribution. To show the clusters. To show the cluster. If it is there, it also should be visualized. Next, relationship. To show how the value one thing changes with the other. How the value of one thing changes with the other, the change in another. For example, yesterday we discussed the system map. When one is increasing, another one also increasing. Sometime when one is increasing, one element, another one decreasing. For example, in the pay system, we can say when basic salary is increasing, then automatically DA will increase. And HRA will increase, everything will increase. Then net salary, gross salary, everything will increase. Clear? Same thing. Then only you can make that is the analysis. Next, why we need to explore the data? Without the data exploration, why we should not go directly to the modeling stage? Why we need? First one, that is get a sense of trends. You can have the knowledge about the trends, relationship, patterns present in data. Same as your performance, knowing to your parents, teachers, and management to take the further action against your performance. Okay? For your performance. Next. Decide. For example, next step, stage what? Modeling stage. So once you are analyze your data properly, and then you can select which is a suitable model for your project cycle. That you can select. That is a second. Next, third point, you can say easier to comprehend the information. So whatever you collected the information that you can comprehend. Next, easier to communicate with others. Sometimes you need to explain to your superior or to your team members or maybe to the customer or maybe the support team, maybe whatever related to that project. No? There and all you need to explain. Or you want to tell the story. Without to know how we can tell the story. Clear or not? For example, now I am showing one diagram how the data is there. Just like you can, whatever you collected the data on the data acquisition stage, that all the one dislike is there. Data. So you can see all the one is in the mixed stage, it is not in the organized manner. And maybe some may be relevant, some may be not relevant, some may be duplicate, some may be missing, everything is there. Next, we have to sort out everything. Same as this post office, they are sorting the letter area wise. That like we have to sort out. In school also we are doing after over the exam, we are sort out which students are performing well, which students are average, which students are below average. That like. Those are the defaulters. Next, arrange. We have to arrange each and everything. That is only wherever we can find the missing or wherever we are having the duplicate, everything we can extract. Everything we can rectify that one. Next, last stage, that is ours, percented visually. This type we have to visually, we have to present. So if you are saying entire data to that numerical data, for everything you are showing to your superior, mean the superior will get it tension. And you are clearly showing all the data, whatever collected to your customer, mean they also want to understand. For example, you can see this builders, what they are doing? They are making some models, because that only the people or customers can understand easily. For that, we also, whatever we collected the data in the second stage, that we are presenting visually. To present visually, what we require? To present your data visually, we can use some method. For example, you can use a bar graph, flowchart. Many things are available, but I am showing here something only. But many things are available. You can use any visualization method, but you have to keep that 4 points in your mind: comparison, composition, relations, and another one. Comparison, composition, distribution, and relationship. Distribution and relationship. Okay. So what is Venn diagram? You are studying mathematics, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Intersection, union. Are you remember or not? That is only one. Okay. So bar graph. Using bar graph, you can analyze. Or flowchart also you can use for making the visual your data. Pie chart, Venn diagram, population pyramid. That also is there. Next, I will show one site that is open source. There, how they are representing, that is also I will show you. Maybe it will be useful for you. Okay. Just 1 minute, you hold on the line. Okay. Now I am stopping this presentation. Next, I am showing one more that. Sorry. One site I am showing, that is open source. How it is there, that you can see. I will show how they are representing the data. Now you are getting visual? Visible? Okay, very good. I will show you one thing, example. You can also go and see, because I cannot show all the one here. So after that, you can see it is a data.gov.in. Already we discussed now. What are the open source? Here I am selecting things are available. For example, I am selecting one project, that is a drinking water and sanitation. Household with an improved drinking water source. I am showing that one project. You can see how the data are available, that you see. These are the data. It is coming slowly because it is huge amount of data is there. Okay, now you're able to see the maybe. Can you see? This is the data.
Yes, sir.
I'm showing only one
Yes,
page.
yes, sir.
More than 15 pages are available. Okay. So this project related, they are collecting household with an improved water facility. They are collecting this much data. When they are showing this data to the minister, that related minister, or to the any public people, whether they will understand. It is very difficult to understand. So they are representing in the visual form. That is also I will show you. You can see it is a data. Okay. Next I am showing this visualization form. How it is there, that also you can see. It is coming slowly because it has to load. No. Now can you see the maybe in your screen? Able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes. They are showing the colors, no? That is a percent. Below 85%, 85 to 90%, and above 90%, and not applicable. So these are statistics recording that project they are showing. And another chart also they are showing, that is also is for you. Here, now you can see the chart. It is represented, one side they are representing the states, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, Bihar, Punjab, Chandigarh, and another one side they are showing the percentage. Percentage is starting from 0 to 100%. There you can see how it is there. Okay, so this project, this is only reflecting the data in the visual form. Understand? This is one example I showed. So in the open source site, many things are available. You can go through that one and you can have the knowledge, and you can see about many other status of that project, how they are representing in the visual form. That also you can see. You can have more idea about that one. Okay. Next. So after that you can open and see. Okay. After over the class, when you are free, you can open and see. So now I am stopping this one. This simple, I am showing the example for you. Next, we will continue that topic. Okay. So we can visual your data by using the bar graph, or you can use the flow chart, or you can use the pie chart, or you can use the Venn diagram, population pyramid, or another one also is the tree map. So this like many things are available that you can use, which are suitable. Next is some visual representation of data. So many tools are available, many methods are available. I will show that sites. That is dataviscatalog.com, visual representation. Okay, there you can see and you can know about that each and every tools also. So you can have more idea about that one. Now I will show that one. Okay, now I am opening that site, data.vis. Your class. Okay, madam. 2 minutes, madam. Only 2 minutes. One minute I will show you because other teachers are waiting. Yeah, I am taking much time maybe today, maybe. Okay. Data visualization. This site you have to open. Dataviscatalog.com. It is given in your book also. You can find out the URL. There you can open. Are you able to see or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So using that, you go and see. For example, once I open and show, for example, bar chart. Bar chart, once you click, then you can find. So related to bar chart, what is the description is there? As one a bar graph or column graph, it's both also the same name. How it is used, how it will be represent your data, and all the other benefits also you can know at comparison. What is the function? Where it is used for comparison purpose and the patterns purpose. Then what are the similar charts? That is also they are showing. So you select and see all the type of charts. There you can know about more and more about that tools or technique you can use. Then your book page number 77, 78 and 79. Here they are asking 5 technique. So you go through this all the tools. Then you can select 5 technique, whichever useful for you. You can select 5 technique and you can represent in your book page number 77, 78, 79. So first data visualization technique. Next name of the representation what, next online description what, and how to draw it, and suitable for which data type that you can. So first you go through this one, each and every chart. Then tomorrow I will tell how to write that one. Okay, because other teachers are waiting. So I am finishing this one. If anybody coming joined later, please give your attendance. Quickly you give. Don't, others should not give. Please enter fast. The chat message you can enter. $29, 129. 129 already there, no? Then why? 202 Jaya Panchal. Okay, already given. 23. 22. Okay, through Prajavati. So those are joined later. That only has to be. Other students no need. Again and again, we want to give. Any other joined later? Aarti Gujar, okay. When I called, you did not attend. Then 16 already given us. 15, 16. Okay. 15, 16. That is both are brothers, no? Maybe together you are attending. Next. 23 ice keglet. Okay, already given ice keglet. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. So tomorrow we will discuss about the technique. What are the techniques are available? I showed that site.
Thank you, sir.
Go through each and every.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then we will discuss it tomorrow. If possible, you try for this page number 77, 78, 79. Okay. And remaining thing we will discuss it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
So one time you go through whatever discussed today, the data exploration and this part. That is technique, bar chart, line chart, area chart, and all. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.